Hello everyone. So do you want to learn SAP MM but don't know where to start? So don't worry, today in today's session we will be covering all of those topics you need to know if you are going to start with SAP MM learning. So from the basics we will be starting and we will be covering all of those things you will require to know to learn SAP MM and where is the best place to learn everything on a cheaper budget, or let's say you can learn for free. So all of those things we will be discussing it today. So first let's understand this will be the total topics of today. So we will be understanding what is the, let's say, what is SAP MM and what is the key components of SAP MM, and if you are going to work inside SAP MM, so what should be the roles and responsibility will be there, and what is the career opportunities are there, and how you can learn the SAP MM. So all of these things we will be covering in today's topic. So please be in the video till the end and you will be getting a lot of information related to SAP MM. If you are new to SAP MM or you are going to learn SAP MM, so this class will be helpful for you a lot. So first, let's understand what is a SAP MM. So SAP MM is basically, it is a material management, SAP material management, that is a SAP ERP model, which will cover your material managing, let's say, procurement and your inventory management. Okay, how to use the material means for the business, how they can use the material efficiently so that they can get the best output from their material. Okay, so that is basically covers all of the aspect of the material. Let's say from the procurement to the inventory, those kind of things will be the part of SAP MM. If we say about the SAP MM topics, so mostly or basically you need to learn the SAP MM master data, then you need to understand the purchasing process, then you need to understand the inventory process, then obviously there will be certain invoice verification will be there, but right now the invoice verification process mostly it will be coming with your let's say finance side. This is coming with your finance side, and onto this and above of this topic you need to know, let's say there will be some concepts in SAP MM, let's say the pricing procedure, let's say the accounting determination, let's say the release procedure. These kind of concepts will be there inside the SAP MM. So if you want to learn, so these are your topics, these things you are going to learn inside the SAP MM. If you are going to work with a SAP MM side, then what is the things that you need to know? So first thing, you need to know the requirement generation or requirement gathering. So while you are working as a consultant, you need to know what is the business requirement is, what is your client's needs are there. So you need to understand that one. Based on that, you can provide some solution. If it is an implementation process, then you can let them know what is the solution they can take. If it is a support process, then you can guide them how to do the process better and how to do their or how to perform their day-to-day activities. So this will be basically the work of a SAP MM consultant. Now, if we say about the career opportunities in SAP MM, you can go with all these lines. Let's say if you want to go as a SAP MM consultant, you can go as a consultant. If you want to be a functional analyst, then you can be a functional analyst. If you want to go for an end user, then you can also go as the end user role. So what is the details or what is the requirement for consultant, analyst or end user? You can just let me know in the comment section so that I will be prepare a video for you. You will be able to understand what is the difference between this one and what are the steps you should follow to achieve these kind of roles. Okay. So now let's understand how you can start learning on SAP MM. So I get a lot of questions from the learners, from the people, that how we can use the how we can learn the SAP MM, how we can practice, how we can get the let's say course and contents and study materials. So everything they are asking me a lot of times. So first thing will be there, understanding the basics. You need to understand the concept, then you need to practice. So for practice you need to have a demo system or a practice system, correct? So most of the time, most of the people, they will be asking, can I download the practice system, where can I download, where I can get the ID and password? So there is nothing available as a free option till now that you can get a demo server or demo system for a free. There are two ways to get the demo server or practice server. One, you can get it from the SAP. SAP is having a learning hub access. From that, you can get your let's say practice and many of the things you can get through a learning hub access, but I believe that will be a little bit costlier for everyone. The cheapest way will be there will be certain, let's say, server providers will be there. They will provide you a server at a nominal cost, so there will be monthly basis will be there will be a lifetime basis will be there. Okay, offline and online both modes are available. So offline mostly it will be ECC version. If you are willing to take a S4HANA version, then I don't believe that there is a offline mode is there. You have to take a online server, and there will be monthly installments or on monthly, let's say, fees will be there. So you can take a longer period, let's say 3 months, 6 months period of time, that will reduce a cost to a lot more extent. Okay, so that you can try. So next, how you can learn the SAP MM. So first thing, you can learn the SAP MM from YouTube. There are a lot of channels are there. Our channel is also there. You can learn the SAP MM from there. We have already 40 classes uploaded in the English channel, and we have already fully completed session in the Hindi channel. We have a Hindi channel on the same name. You can search for SAP for beginners, that is in Hindi. So you can learn the complete session from there, and English by some time it will be getting completed. So this is the first thing, you can learn it for free from the YouTube. Second thing, if you are not able to understand from the YouTube, let's say you are a very fresher or you are not, let's say, that much of, you don't know the process and all, you don't know anything. So what you can do, you can take a mentor from anywhere. Let's say there are a lot of people are there who are training, giving training on the SAP MM, um, and there are certain institutes are there where you can learn. So but while you are learning, I get a lot of questions on this one, and I got a lot of reviews on this one, that let's say some people have completed the course at 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, these kind of prices they are learning on. Let's say they are learning on these prices. This is not worth it. So maximum you can take, like, most, if I say, the good institutes which are providing the trainings, they take mostly around 30,000. That is a good amount of fees. That is a good amount of thing. And whoever taking that 30,000, around that fees, so try to have those institutes, or try to reach out to those institutes who are giving you a training for 3 months, at least for 3 months or 4 months. Okay, so if you want to learn SAP MM completely, so it will definitely take you 3 to 4 months. Okay, so below than that, let's say if someone is asking, saying you like, I can complete your course in 2 months or 1 month, those kind of people or those kind of institutes are already available. But normally, if you are going for those kind of institutes, let's say you are very much quick, you want everything on a quick, so definitely you are going to get trouble in the interview sessions or in the working session. So while you are going to work in a company, or while you are going to an interview, definitely you are going to face a lot of challenges, because everything we cannot learn it in 1 or 2 months. Okay, that is the basic thing. And fees, mostly if you are going for any kind of, let's say, if I say about the, uh, let's say if I say about the mentor, so you can get it the course by 15 to 20,000. That is the basic course. That will be the basic price will be there, 15 to 20,000, as per the people, how they are training, how they're giving you, how they are, let's say, teaching you, is to, it is up to them. Okay, and this is how you can learn. Okay, and second thing, if you are going for a certification, don't go for 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs of these cost of a certification. If anyone is asking you, do a certification, I'll get you a job, then you can go for that one. Otherwise, it is pretty worthless to give a certification exam at above 2 lakhs of fees. Okay, so don't go for that one. If you are already, let's say, graduate, or if you are already let's say, technical graduate, BTech, you have done BTech, or you have done the MBA, you have already spent a lot of things, so don't put your money on the certification. Okay, I have already uh, Okay, I'll tell you how to do the certification in a cheapest way, or in a, let's say, in the nominal fees, how you can do the certification. I will explain one video on that one. So don't worry about it. Don't pay 2 lakhs of fees. Okay. And how you can get the resources. Let's say you need to have a notes, you need to have a documentation, how you can get that. So for that one, there is a SAP is already there. So SAP learning website is there. SAP community is there. If you want to learn anything, let's say you want to know what is the STO configuration, type it in the Google. Google will show you the SAP. Let's say community one page will be there. From there you can get the document. You can get the all the, let's say, screenshots and all, everything you will be getting from there. So document, for the document, don't worry. In the like in the SAP community, it will be there. In most of the, let's say, we can say WhatsApp channel, there are a lot of documents are getting flowing and everything. So that will be there, and in our website also there are a lot of documents are there, and we will be uploading the rest of the document also. So that will be all about the learning journey for SAP MM beginner. If you are going to start a SAP MM, this will help you in learning, and this will help you a lot of things to decide where to go for a learning, where to go for a, let's say, where to learn the SAP MM. You will be able to get all the information from this one. I hope this video is helpful and insightful for everyone. So if you are able to, let's say, get some information, and if you get something better information from the rest, or you get a better information, so please do like the video, and please do subscribe to the channel, because our channel is related to SAP MM, and not only the SAP MM, we will be putting the other contents like in the EWM, TM, and other topics are also coming soon. So please do subscribe to the channel and like the videos, and keep learning. We will be meeting on the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.